Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading on Deriv, you know that the biggest challenge isn't just the market, it's the emotions and the timing. Today, I'm going to show you how to take the guesswork out of your sessions using PivotCore.net. This is a powerful auto trading platform specifically built for the Deriv ecosystem. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tool is designed to execute strategies with precision that humans simply can't match. In this video, we are diving into a systematic approach that focuses on consistency rather than just luck. Today, we are focusing on the even odds strategy. It's one of the most popular methods because of its simplicity and speed. But here's the secret. We aren't just clicking buttons. We are using the PivotCore bot to analyze the digit stream. The bot looks for patterns in the last digits and enters the trade at the exact millisecond required. By automating this on PivotCore, you eliminate the fat finger mistakes and the hesitation that usually leads to losses in manual trading. Now, let's talk about the math. Many traders fail because they try to win 100% of the time, which is impossible. My plan today is realistic and sustainable, the 5-10 win plan. We are aiming to win 5 out of 10 trades. You might think that's only 50%, but when you combine this with proper money management and the bot's speed, a 50% win rate is all you need to stay in the game and grow your account steadily. Watch as the bot executes these 10 trades. Notice how it stays calm even after a loss, immediately moving to the next opportunity without emotional bias. Why am I using PivotCore.net instead of trading directly on the dTrader interface? It's simple: control. PivotCore gives you a specialized dashboard where you can set your stake, your target profit, and your stop loss with much more flexibility. It connects seamlessly to your Deriv account via API, meaning your funds stay secure while the bot handles the heavy lifting. It's built for speed, and in the world of digits trading, a fraction of a second is the difference between a win and a loss. As you can see on the screen, the bot is hitting our targets. By sticking to the 5-10 plan, we are managing our risk effectively. We aren't